supposed to be some storms today, so it might not be a grand day because I might have to dip out before the storm, but I did find a hook that's really rusted. There's all the stuff from last time I was out here. I was on the other side. Now I'm on this side. Second find, whatever this is. Alright, this is kind of cool. Got whatever this is off of the grappling hook, and then a flat piece of metal. Not bad. Well, I don't have a clue what that is. It's filled with clams. It was heavy. There's something else on here. It looks like somebody's homemade jig or something. But yeah, it's not too bad to get out of the lake. So, found some kind of pipe. I dipped it in the water a couple times to get all the dirt out and whatever creatures were in there. Not doing too bad. All right, every time I pull the magnet and grappling hook out, there's another something. A little blurry. That's better. So yeah, it's another pipe, but it's not every other. I haven't pulled one out yet, except for the very first throw that I haven't gotten something out of it. This is the very next cast out, and it looks like something off of a boat, maybe? Where is it? There it is. I don't know. It looks like it's maybe an anchor? I don't know. Tell me what it is. Okay, that didn't freak me out at all. I was pulling it up and I saw something drop into the water and it was a red snake. Yeah, that wasn't creepy. I'm sure it was just a water moccasin or something. But I got a big bolt, railroad spike maybe, something kind of squarish. Some kind of very sharp metal here. I thought it was, maybe it's a nail. Another big bolt. And some flat metal. Not bad for one throw. All that. Get used to that. That snake though, that was a eye-opener. That dog has been barking for like an hour. So I found another pipe. Or no, that's rebar. Anyways, it's been about 5 or 6 pulls, and I got that little flat piece of metal next to the screwdriver and a bolt. But I figured that wasn't enough to warrant a little video. I have been doing this for quite a while, this season, probably 5 or 6 times. I have not found anything actually useful until now. Is it a murder weapon? Don't know, but it's mine now. There has been some construction over here quite a bit, so it very well could just be a hammer that's dropped. But it's a nail. Cool. Whatever that is. Flat piece of metal. Hell yeah. Just found like a bungee cord or something, but it's really long, probably about 50 feet long. There's no metal on it, so I'm just gonna end up putting it in one of the trash cans. But that's freaking crazy. So it seems a little sketchy. I find a hammer and then a rope. What else am I gonna find? I found a tarp the last time. I was so excited about that rope that I completely forgot to look on my magnet, and I have some kind of a bracket here. Okay, I got some kind of a long flat metal piece of chain link. Actual chain, not a chain link, it's a chain link fence. And then I don't have a clue what this is. Maybe it's part of the fence. Alright, found another bracket or something. This thing is freaking heavy. I was hoping to pull it up, but I can't with holding my phone. It's one of the dock ropes. This thing is so heavy. It's ridiculous. I can't believe I pulled it up. I got magnet stuck on the inside of the on the other side of the thing there. Had to use the hammer to knock it off, and then I pulled this up. Okay, I got another little tiny piece of rebar there, and then some kind of thin flat metal, but at least it's not a rope. That thing, I'm still out of breath from that rope. Well, all right, I got this solenoid thing. The reason I'm out of breath right now is because I got whatever the hell that thing is. It's like a drain pipe, a drain thing. And holy cow, that thing was heavy. Got some line out too. Somebody got snagged on it. Let's see if there's a lure on this or something. But man, I'm going to the scrapyard today with that thing and this thing and half the bucket filled. Yeah. I got another one of those things from last year. It was a L-shaped piece of metal, and that was all I got over here. But I wasn't using the combo, and I was probably using the smaller magnet anyway, so yeah. Well, that's a cool car. Anyhow, till I find something else. Alright, so it's the very last find there. Flat piece of metal. No idea what I'm going to do with all those ropes, but the rest of the stuff is going to the scrapyard today. Except for the hammer, I'm keeping that. Turn this off. So, I'm here at the scrapyard again because what I got today and the other day was too much, so I figured I might as well. It's 41 pounds of steel. I got $4.10. That's double how much I got before. Money in the bank.